Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these eye makeup remover pads by Almay are so great. They're a game changer for me because they can remove even waterproof mascara with no tugging of the eye area. The pads are pre-moistened, so they're super easy to use. You just wipe them over the eye area to remove the makeup. And they're easy to travel with because you don't have to rinse after you use them. And the great part is they're designed for the sensitive skin and eye area. They're also made with biodegradable pads. Now I have the confidence to use that waterproof mascara and that long wearing makeup because I know that I have these Almay makeup remover pads that are going to do a great job, and that's my point of view.